stopped by man security, but then he brought out the M4 rifle, and that's where the people already started screaming. Some are even saying ISIS, ISIS. But he proceeded, went to the casino area, and then he fired. Sa taas. Warning shot, sending more people. And at this point, the evacuation protocols have been initiated by the security management team. And then he started burning the tables. If you observe, he was carrying with him bottles. We are determining if it's kerosene or gasoline. In one continuous movement, ito yung ginagawa ng attacker. He even had a lighter with him. If you'll see, the blaze was very immediate. Forward mo. And then he entered a private salon. Again, towards the area, towards another table. Forward. He torched the slot machines again, and then this is the bar 180. He again fired shots. LED torched the place, doused kerosene or gasoline into the carpet. Yan. Sinunog niya na naman yung yung mga slot machines. So really. Then he went to the back of the house. That's where the cage area is. Yeah, he will force his way in by firing on doors and kicking. Nag-reload pa siya, change mag pa siya. So it's really determined. Forward mo ulit. Okay. So yun, napasok niya na. He couldn't find cash. So he's looking at the chips. Choosing the high denomination plaques. So there, that establishes the angle of robbery. He was trying to find his way out. Then at this point, our security team, the responding security team, backed up by the PNP already at this point. That's our manager, one of our officers, is looking up. Pero nasa bandang kaliwa yung assailant. At that point also, we didn't have exact location. We are saying this after the fact already, after reviewing. So, As you can see, a security team and the PNP are in hot pursuit of the lone gunman. Then, pause. This is one of our guys. Sinilip niya. Normal. Ayun. That's him. So they exchange fire. Dito na siya tinamaan. So, as you'll observe, he's limping, slowing down. Freeze mo yung ano, sa may face. Oh. Angle. Angle lang. Okay. Okay. Dahil sila. Yeah. So, may dugo na siya sa mukha. He's already limping. He's already limping at this point. Nangihina na rin. But of course, sa kwarto wala kaming ano doon, wala kaming camera. So he was walking. So he forced his way by firing on the door. That area has already been evacuated. As you can see, no more movements. We have safely evacuated the guests. Sinusunog niya yung linen.